Hello guys, this is Android Khalifa. Today we'll be talking about a watch which is called a Halo watch. This is the cheapest watch you can find in the market. I bought it from noon.com with a price of 92 dirham, which is like almost $25, and I have been using it since 5 days. I'll tell you the features what it has. It has the metal body, 12 sport modes, sleeping management, all day heart rate monitor, 30 days standby battery. This is the major feature you can say of the watch. The battery life is so long, that's like almost it gives you 30 days, and the screen is TFT HD screen. It's called Halo Solar, but it does not has anything to do with the solar. It's not like a solar charge or something. It's just the name only. Then in the box you get smartwatch, watch strap, charging cable, and user manual. So let's go to the watch directly. So this is the watch, guys. I have been using for 5 days now. I like it because it's a budget. It's a very lower budget watch. It has heartbeat rate all day. Then you get face watch. It has like minimum of like 6 or 7. Plus you can customize the face watches. So this is the one I have. It's like almost 5. The one I like is the default one. You can see it shows date, time, weather, step count, heartbeat, and the notification you get in the watch. You get a notification for everything, and the quality of the screen is good as compared to the amount you are paying for the watch. So it's not like very good. It's a TFT screen. It's just you can say a basic smartwatch, and it's a good experience. I just bought it to see like how it works. The battery is promising, and when I bought the watch it was just 60% of the battery, and it's almost like 5 days without charge. It's still 45%. That's the good thing. And the strap is the rubber strap. You get the basic strap, but if you want you can change it, and because of course you're paying less amount for the watch, so they are trying to give you basic everything. But I like the body. The body is like a metal shape, and it looks good as compared to the price. And I'll show you, I'll wear it and you can see how it looks in my hands. The screen is like almost 42 mm. It looks nice. So guys, I think it's a good watch with the basic features. You see a time, weather, heartbeat rate, step counts, and some small notifications. And this is the watch. It's called Halo watch. If you want to buy, you can buy from noon.com, or you can buy from Amazon as well. But believe me, it's like worth of 100 dirham. I think it's more because the quality you are getting is good, the battery life you are getting is good. It's not like a waste of money. You have some Chinese watch like which comes on 80, 90 dirham, 100 dirham, and the battery doesn't last for long, and there's so much things in the screen like the operating system is not stable. But in this watch everything is nice, and it's responsive as well. You can see by yourself. You get music settings as well. Music settings means you can control the music from the watch if you're playing from your phone. So this is how it is, guys. Thank you for watching a video.